Hey guys, what is up? This is Ayush Singh Negi and I'm back with yet another video. And today we are going to learn a bit about uh, assembly language in 8086 programming. Um, and that on Tasm. Yeah, so Tasm is turbo assembler. So we're going to use that as it's freely available. And in the previous video, I had shown how to install and run a simple program. In this one, I'm going to show a few more examples of a few codes, and along with that, I'll give you a simple explanation of how to run those codes. So firstly, what you're going to do is you're going to switch on your like DOSBox TASM through DOSBox like we did the last time. And the next thing that you want to do is you'll get the normal options of whatever's available, and then you'll click on edit, right? So I'll just press edit. Just one second. I think my cursor is not there. So it, yup. And so then I'll just go there. What happens is I can see my DOS screen. Now what I am going to do is I'm gonna like do my first program. So what my first program will be on um, a simple greeting, you could say, two messages being displayed as usual. So first of all, we select the model. So the model will be small. So dot model small, and then we go towards the data. Now the data that we want for our program. So that will be message one. Message one. It will be a data byte. So db, the data type of the variable, and then it will be 10, comma 13. So basically what this means is that uh, firstly 10 and 13 are line control and line feed. So what they do is basically 10 is line feed, and whereas 13 is carriage return. So as you might know that line feed is basically it controls the cursor and it takes it to the next line, whereas carriage return, what it does is it moves the cursor to the start of the line. Now if we have a particular string, it's entered. Now we go to the start of the line, we go to the next line, and then we go to the start of the line. So that's what 10 and 13 do in ASCII value. So this is ASCII control code for this. So next what we are going to do is we're going to write what we are going to enter. So hello with the dollar. I'll explain why we are doing this. These will be dollar terminated strings. So yeah, that's why we are doing it. And there's a pretty good reason why. So again, we'll put a second message, 10, comma 13. Again, it will be a data type, a data byte, and it will have VIT or anything you want. And the VIT is the name of my college. You could have put anything. Hello, Ayush. Yeah, even that does. And dollar sign. So their quotes close. This should be within quotes as it is a string data type. And again, we have put 10, comma 13. And now what we do is we go to the code now. This was the data that we want to enter. Now the code. So in the code, first we have mov ax, comma, at the rate data. So what ax is a register within the um, basic architecture of the computer, and now a register. So yeah, and what it is basically it's the primary accumulator. Now all the input output is done through ax. So right now what we are doing is we are storing the data inside this data. As you can see, I don't know if my cursor is visible, but this data we are storing it inside ax. Now what we'll do is mov ds, comma ax. So what this will do is it will store the data which was there within AX within the data segment as we are going to use it. So now we are going to perform certain functions. So our very first function is mov ah comma 09h. So what 09h is, it's a string function. We can basically display strings. The output will be in string, and it will be a dollar terminated. It has to be a dollar terminated string. So that's why we had put a dollar here, because we want to display strings and they will be dollar terminated. So this is for the first message, basically what we are doing. The first output, like 09h for one particular string, and that will be hello. Okay, this one. So now we write lea dx comma message one. Like ax dx is another register, and lea is, now you might be wondering, why didn't we use mov and why did we use lea? Now the basic difference between mov and lea is, mov is basically uh, what you could say, like mov is basically like the value stored within the particular place, okay, like the reference. So it will be the value that is actually stored over there wherever you are like specifying. Whereas lea will give you a pointer which will point towards the particular address where the value is stored. It will not give you the exact it will not load the value, it will load a pointer which will point towards that value. So that's the basic difference, and we need this because we'll be performing certain calculations with the help of that. No, not calculations, but we'll be performing functions with that. So yeah, that's why lea over here. The next thing is int 21h. Now to deploy every function, we need this int 21h. What it does is it deploys each and every function every time. So whenever you do this mov ah09h and whatever after that, and you have to end it with int 21h. So here's the end of our first function. We'll be displaying the first message. Then you go down, you have to do the same thing, mov. I'll just keep typing, you might understand what I'm doing. 09h. So this is for our second message. So lea dx and comma message 2. So message 2 will be basically the second message, like regarding our um Ayush, like it's written there. First message was hello, second message is Ayush, the same everything, and we finish it with int 21h. Then what we do is, now we are done with our code, and what we need to do now is we need to terminate the program. So for that, there is a specific function which is called mov ah um, 4ch. Okay, so this is for termination of the program. So now we have terminated the process, and now int 21h to deploy that function, and we end it with end. Okay, so what we are going to do now is file, save as. I'm going to save the name as hello .asm. Okay, done. We're done with this. Now we're going to do file and exit. And as usual, you might know, first we'll take the name hello.asm. Oh, 1 second. It was Tasm hello.asm. Okay, so there are no error messages, no warning messages, one pass, and memory specified, whatever. What we are going to do now is we are performing the link. Okay, so t-link hello.asm. Okay, so the turbo link has started. Now we can execute the program. So now what we are going to do is basically execute the code. So the execution file is created. So hello.exe, it should work now. Oh, wait, have I done something wrong? over here. I'll have to check. Did I do anything wrong? Perhaps I have to check my code. No, there seems to be nothing wrong with the code itself. Oh, I got it, I got it. Okay, okay. So I made a mistake. Okay, I'm so sorry for that. Okay, okay. So it was a very amateur mistake by me. This is not hello.asm, this is just hello. Okay. Oh, wait. I'll have to do it all over again, I guess. Hello.asm. Array. Tasm hello.asm. Great. Now we will do t-link hello. Okay, and then we will do hello.exe. Yeah, as you can see now, hello and Ayush are being displayed. Okay. Sorry for that. And now what we have to do is basically our next code, which will be a simple addition program. Okay, so I'll just go to edit again quickly, not to waste any more time. Again, model will be small dot model small dot data. Now we'll take two variables. Okay, a db. Now it's not string, so we have to specify the size. So 2h, that will be the value, that is 2, and b db, and 0 4h, so that will be 4. So the decimal values 2 and 4 are assigned to a and b respectively. So then we go to the code itself, then mov ax comma @data, then mov ds comma ax to move the data into the data segment from through the primary accumulator. Then ax is the primary accumulator, again I'll repeat, and ds is the data segment. Then we go to mov al comma a. So al is a, like ax is divided into certain registers, ax and bx and so on and so forth. They are like they are further divided into 8 bit registers, those 16-bit registers. So they are al, bl, like so on and so forth, cl. So we are using al to store the value of a. Then we'll use mov bl to store the value of b, and then we'll perform the function of adding a1 and b1. And then what we'll do is mov ah and terminate our process after adding the two, a1 al and bl. Sorry, why did I write 1 al bl? Yeah. After that, we have added the two in the registers. So now like the values inside the registers themselves, al and bl, that is 2 and 4 respectively. So now we'll terminate the process. We'll do int 21h to deploy the function, and as the only function being used here is 21h, the 4ch, sorry, termination. And then we'll end. Okay, so we'll do file again, save as. Okay, we'll give this name add 8 add 8.asm. Great. We'll click on OK, file, exit. Again, the same stuff, just there will be one particular difference. So first, tasm add 8.asm. Great. No errors and no warning messages either. Now what we are going to do is t-link. We'll start the link, turbo link, add 8. So now the execution file is created and now we can use it. So after that, we'll write with the turbo assembler, we can start that. So what we'll do now is add 8.exe. It's working. And now with this, what we'll do is we'll press dash T. Okay, wait. I think it was shift and no, it was addx dot exe should work, and then after that we have to put the command of um oh yeah, debug. Sorry, I forgot debug. After that we have to do add8 dot exe. So we'll put debug. Oh, what's the issue here? Okay, there seems to be something wrong. Add8 dot exe and add debug. How? I guess my Tasm doesn't have debug, does it? Something might be wrong. My Okay, so there's another thing now in Windows. Like the first installation lacked a bit of files, so I'll just drop down the link for this installation because we need these files as well. So you'll get a zip file named Windows 64-bit assembly tool. All you need to do is extract it somewhere. You'll get a folder with the same name. You have to copy these files. Copy or I don't know, can do anything. Copy or like what do they call? Um, cut, and you can go to your Tasm folder and just go to Tasm, paste all of the ones that are not there. It'll ask you to replace some, so you can skip them if you would like. So all of the files that were necessary are now there. So hopefully, I guess I'll stop sharing and then I'll share again my DOS box. So I hope it's visible. So let's see, hopefully this works. Okay, it's working now, thankfully. And now we'll just put dash T. So we'll get the first function, that is mov dx comma ax, put dash T again, get the first value al, and al has the value 0002 stored. So great, it's working. Another, we see bl has the 0003 value stored, which is 04, and another T, it is add function, so addition is happening. So and then mov ah4ch, it would be terminate 4c, yeah, h, okay, correct. Then another last T and int21, that is the term execution of the function. Now another dash T and we are done with the thing. So program executed normally 0006. So that is the value. That's it. So then what we need to do is basically just start a new code. Sorry for that. I'll just pause the recording and restart my assembler. Okay, so I've resumed my recording. I mean the and reloaded my this thing, Tasm, and we are going to do the third program now, which is very simple, which is accepting numbers. It is a very standard program. So let's go in the DOS editor. So another untitled one. So dot model small again dot data. Then M1 will be the first message. So db data byte 10 comma 13 for line feed and return carriage return, I mean, sorry. Then we'll enter the first number dollar and close string. Message 2 will be the similar. So db 10 comma 13 comma enter the second number dollar sign quotes, then the code dot code, okay, mov ax comma at the rate data. So that's our data being loaded into the primary accumulator. Then mov ds comma ax into the data segment. Then mov ah comma 09 h. So an output, first we'll display the first string. So lea dx comma m1. So the first message is displayed. Then in 21h we deploy, sorry, space, deploy the function. Then mov ah comma 01h. Now 01h means that it is accepting a single character from us. Similarly, int 21h, again mov ah comma 09h lea dx comma m2. So that's the second message gone, int 21h. Okay, so now the last function would be mov ah comma 01h. We are taking a single character input again. That would be int 21h to deploy the function. Then mov ah comma 4ch to terminate the program process, and int 21h and end. Okay, so we are done with the last program. We are going to save this as a file, save as, and the name would be uh, you can write anything. I'll go with digit dot asm. Okay, we are done, and we'll save it and file, exit. Now tasm, digit add dot asm. Okay, no errors, no warning messages. Yay, another one is created. And now what we'll do is t-link digit add. The link has started, no stats. Now digit add dot exe. It will execute this code flawlessly. Let's hope. The first number it will accept. So let's write 2. Enter the second number, 4. We can put our spaces and everything accordingly. That's not a problem. We'll do that in the next one. But this is fine, I guess. So it's accepting both the numbers and it's executing perfectly. So I guess that would be it for this video. I'll just stop sharing. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching and listening to my tutorial on assembly language and 8086 programming and what every function means and everything means. I will come back to you guys with the next one, which will be soon enough. But I hope you like this. I hope you understood a lot more about assembly languages, about TASM itself, and how does assembly language actually work with the registers and everything. I would like to give a more detailed explanation in the next one, but that will require more time. I wanted to do some quick examples today, so I just went forward with in a little hurry, but that made me make some silly mistakes. So yeah, I hope I'll come in the next one with a little more details on this. And I hope you enjoyed this one. If you like this, please do drop a like and put a comment if you want this more, or if you want more explanations on this, or be it anything. Your thoughts would be open to this channel. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and please do like, share, subscribe and comment and ring the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. This has been Ayush Singh Negi. You can watch the first video. The link will be somewhere around here right now, and even in between I'll drop a link to another video from my channel. Okay, thank you guys. Bye bye.